Garbage disposal. The wrappers of toffees, biscuits, soaps, etc. are useless materials. Empty cans of cold drinks, oil, talcum powder, etc. are also useless materials. Bottles of cold drink, oil, ghee, etc. are also useless materials. Some other useless materials are rags, paper, dust, cow dung, etc. We throw away these materials as garbage. Garbage is a kind of waste. Any material which has no use in our life is called a waste material. Plastic wastes, metal wastes, paper and clothes, glass, skin of fruits and vegetables, dust and cow dung. Disposal wastes. Have you ever thought where the garbage goes which we throw every day? Let us know. We collect garbage in a dustbin every day. We empty the dustbin by throwing the garbage into a public dustbin. In big cities, this work is done by garbage collector. The municipal workers collect this garbage in the municipal truck. They go in different localities to collect the garbage. We should always throw garbage into a public dustbin. The garbage is then taken to a dumping site. A dumping site is a barren land where garbage is dumped. The garbage is dumped there. The garbage is laid with mud or burnt or pressed down by bulldozers. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. We can group waste materials into biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. Biodegradable waste is decomposed by the bacteria present in the soil or environment. Vegetables peels, paper, old clothes, leftover food, etc. are biodegradable wastes. After the action of the bacteria, the waste materials mix with the soil. Non-biodegradable wastes take hundreds of years to be decomposed. Some non-degradable wastes never get decomposed. Plastic cans, broken glasses, wrappers, etc. are non-biodegradable wastes. Polythene bags. Methods of waste disposal. Landfills. These are open grounds outside the city. Garbage is dumped there and covered with soil. Incinerators. Incinerators are big furnaces. Garbage and waste material are burnt there at a very high temperature. Biogas. Animal excreta and plant waste is used to produce a domestic fuel. This is called biogas. It does not produce smoke, that is, does not cause pollution. Composting. Compost is the natural manure made from biodegradable waste. Method of making compost is called composting. For making the compost, dig a pit and fill it up with biodegradable waste. Keep it moist and cover it with soil. Allow it to rot for few weeks. It will get converted into manure. The 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Waste management. You studied that lot of garbage is produced every day. This garbage needs a large area to be disposed of. Besides, the garbage makes our city look dirty. It also produces bad smell. What can we do then? There is a mantra of 3 R's to control the problem of waste disposal. These 3 R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce. If we reduce the amount of garbage we produce, then we don't have to worry about disposing it. We should think of ways to reduce waste while we shop, work, and play. There are many ways to reduce waste. We can reduce waste by reducing the number of things we use. We should buy goods that have less packaging. We should buy goods that are durable and long-lasting. We should eat fresh food and not packaged food. We must carry a cloth bag while shopping. We must only buy things that we need. Reuse. We can find new uses for things that we generally throw away. We can reuse plastic bottles, jars, containers, and glass. Use steel or plastic lunch boxes that can be washed instead of using aluminium foil. We can tear old clothes and use them as napkins. We can make art and craft material from old paper, cartons, etc. We can reuse envelopes and gift paper. We can use cloth napkins and handkerchiefs or hand towels instead of tissue papers and paper napkins. Recycle. Recycling is the process of converting used items into raw materials and making new products. In order to recycle, we need to separate biodegradable waste from non-biodegradable waste. Let us learn about the recycling of paper. Waste paper. Waste paper is sold to kabadiwala. The kabadiwala takes the paper waste to the recycling plant. In the recycling plant, fresh paper is made out of the waste paper. No more. Anti-littering and an anti-plastic bag campaign was started in New Delhi under the Bhagidari program. A plastic bag collection was organized and about 5,000 kgs of used plastic bags were collected. Points to remember. Garbage is a kind of waste. Garbage from the houses is collected by municipal workers. The municipal workers collect the garbage in the municipal truck and dump them on the dumping site. Waste can be disposed by landfills, use of incinerators, biogas formation, and composting. Reduce, reuse, and recycle are the 3 methods used to minimize the production of wastes. Biodegradable wastes are decomposed by the bacteria present in the soil. Non-biodegradable wastes take hundreds of years to be decomposed.